Hello everyone, this is Sohom. I'm a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. As a part of my internship, I've been assigned few tasks. This is task 3, exploratory data analysis. As a part of the task, I have to perform exploratory data analysis on a data set which contains data from a sample superstore. As a business manager, I have to find the weak areas and try to improve the profit. I will be using Python and Jupyter Notebook to perform this task. First of all, I will be importing certain libraries like the pandas, numpy, seaborn, matplotlib, and then I will load the dataset into a data frame using .head. I can check the data. Now on inspection, I can see that there are 9,994 rows and 13 columns. There are no null values in any of the columns. Using .describe, I can check the basic statistics, that is the count, mean, standard deviation, percentile, max values, etc. Now, using the seaborn library, we will visualize the data. Not much can be said using looking at this pair plot. Hence, we will try to visualize the data separately. But before that, we will drop the duplicate values and check the correlation between each variables in the dataset. From the heat map, we can see that the postal code doesn't contribute much to our data analysis, and hence we will be dropping this column. Next, we will take the important columns and try to plot, pair plot, histograms, and pie charts. Looking at the shipping mode pair plot, we can see the count of each of the shipping modes, and here's a histogram or a bar chart that we have plotted. Next, we are looking at the segments and the different counts along with the pair plot. Next, we can see the value counts of different categories, and we can see that office supplies has the most number of count. Next, we're looking at the subcategories, and we can see that the binders has the most count. Now looking at the count, we can see state-wise, the state of California has the most count, followed by New York. Looking at the pie chart, we can see that the maximum percentage is from the western region. Similarly, we can see the office supply has the most largest area in this pie chart. That is, it has the most number of count. Similarly, looking at the each subcategories, next we have plotted the sales versus profit for each segment. So we can see in the consumer segment, the sales is very high compared to the home and office. Next, we're looking at profit loss versus sales, and we can see that there is a negative profit for that is loss for tables, while for phones and something and copiers, the profit is high. Now, more detailed, if we check, we can see that the loss is high for tables, and for copiers, phones, accessories, the profit is high. Next, we'll check the profit loss versus sales for different categories, and we can see that the profit is very less for furnitures, but for technology products, the profit is quite high along with the sales. Next, we are checking region wise the profit and loss, profit and sales, and we can see the highest sales is from the western region. Next, we are looking at the interdependency of sales, profits, and discounts, and we can see from the graph that if we give more discounts on our products, the sales increases, but at the cost of profit. Profit decreases. So now, in the last part, we are stating our observations. Phone category has the highest sales. Tables, bookcases categories are facing losses. Envelopes, labels, fasteners contribute the least towards sales and profit. California, New York, Washington have high profits, and maximum number of buyers are from California, New York, and Texas. Thank you.